key to creating good design that is attractive to viewers is understanding the principle of unity. A composition is unified when its parts relate well with one another to create a whole. Unity is the result of shared qualities of elements. There are three ways to create unity: repetition, grouping, and alignment. Let's look at unity through repetition. We'll start by creating an abstract design made of shapes and colors. Here we see shapes that all share similar curves. While these shapes may be made of different colors and orientated in different ways, they are all based on half circles. Most people will recognize this repetition intuitively. What if we have a composition without repeating shapes? In this example, we will use various shapes that are dissimilar to one another. When placed haphazardly on the page, this design lacks unity. There are few similarities that tie things together. If we rearrange these shapes into meaningful groups, then we transform this design into one that is unified. The shapes now overlap and are contiguous to create a larger motif. Grouping is the second way that we can unify a composition. The third way to create unity is alignment. This may also be referred to as continuity. It is similar to grouping in that it relies on the way elements are placed. Let's look at a composition with random icons. Without repetition or grouping, this composition lacks unity and focus. If we rearrange the icons to create shared edges, we can make implied lines that give order to the composition. We now see that these various shapes align to create the edges of an implied rectangle. The implied rectangle is now the unifying feature in this composition.